now we need to close the model. In order to close the model, we are going to create another function with name close. Okay, so let's create that function in here, and we are going to call that function from this hero model. So let me just create it. We'll take it inside v1 directory, v1, and this time it will be close. Actually, we are creating a emit, and we are going to do that emit inside hero model. So let me show you how does it work. This is not actually pre-built event. We are just creating this emit. Okay, v1 close, then this is a function show model is false. Now go to hero model. In here there is a script. We have created a script tag, and in here let's define emits which we have created earlier. Emits, define emits. We need to use this function. Inside this function declare an array with the value close. We have created this close emit event. This is the event we want. Okay, this is the function we are emitting, and in here whenever we press on this cancel button, it will be CAN, it will be cancelled. Okay, so v1, this is a directive, and shorthand for this v1 you can just write v @ in the place of v1. Okay, so I'm just going with v1. Both of them are same, v1. Then you need to do like this emits which we have created here, emits, and inside this emit we need to define that event which is close, v1, and here we need to pass click is equal this. Okay, let's try. In the browser, just reload it and add hero, cancel. Yeah, it is working perfectly. Add hero, cancel. This time we are going to create a hero. We are going to make a request to our backend and create a hero in real. Okay, so let's do it. Const age is reference. This time we are going to import this reference. Import ref. I guess you know what this ref does. It actually make the state a reactive. Okay, view, and in here age, this is going to be a number field, number, and actually it is not number, all of them will be string, and by default the value will be empty string. Let me copy and paste two more times. This one is name, and the last one is secret name, and we are going to bind it with our input field with v model. Let me show you how does it work. Just pass like this. This is not actually age, it will be name, then age. Let me copy this and paste it below here inside this input field, and here it will be age and secret name. It has been binded with our this reactive state. Let me just show you. Save it and go to the browser, inspect element, and the Vue.js DevTools extension we have installed. Add hero. Here you see there is a component hero model, and we have these references age, name, secret name. Let me change the name, Sion. Yeah, it has been changed. Now change the age 1 2, secret name is, yeah, everything is changing. This is what the V model does. Now we are going to create a function const save. This is the function to save or create request to the backend. In here we are going to create a payload. Inside payload there will be name. The name will come from name reference dot value, comma, then age and secret name, AGE and secret name. Secret name. We are giving underscore because in the request body require this secret underscore name, but we have defined this. It is actually camel case, it called camel case. Now we are going to create a response. Let response, I'm not going to define any value, just let it be. Then response is equal await. Actually this is going to be a async function, async await fetch the URL. We already used the URL, we are going to use the same URL, but not this time this query parameters, we just need this URL. Okay, then we are going to set a few configuration. In here we need to define method. By default it will be get method, but since we are adding something to the database, it should be a post request. Okay, post. And headers will be content type application JSON, This will make sure we get JSON response back. Then the last parameter will be body. With body we are going to send JSON stringify version payload. Yeah, let me take all those request logic inside try catch block. So if there is an error we can easily find out. Log error. Okay, then let me just copy this, let me just cut it and paste it inside try block, and in here I'm going to check if everything is okay or not. Response dot okay. If response is not okay, then we are going to throw an error, throw new error, fail to save. Afterward we are going to extract the result. Result is equal await response.json. Okay, I'm going to console log that result, log result. We haven't used this save function. Whenever we create, we click on this create button, V1 click, then we are going to call this save function. Okay, save it, let's try. Reload the page, click on this console, add hero, name of the hero will be Ranbir Kapoor, secret name let's say Ranbir, age 40, create. It is created successfully, therefore we are seeing these logs. Let me just reload it. Chris Hemsworth and Ranbir Kapoor, all the heroes are fetched perfectly.